Once the seedlings are large enough to handle, usually when they've produced 2 true leaves, pot them into larger containers to allow space for their root development. This process is called pricking out. To perform the pricking out process, you need to prepare your containers by filling them with compost. Then make a hole. Carefully lift the seedling by their embryonic first leaves so as not to damage the stem. You'll notice some baby leaves below the true leaves. These are what are known as the embryonic first leaves or cotyledon leaves. They contain stored food reserves for the seed and by now would have done their job in feeding the plant. It's best to remove the seedling from the seed tray by holding these cotyledon leaves, as it doesn't matter if these get damaged during the process. Gently place the roots into the hole. Then water using a fine spray or place in a water trough. Place the seedlings back into the same growing environment in order to prevent shock. The next stage is called hardening off. This is when you prepare the plant for its final growing conditions outside. You should do this gradually by placing the plants grown indoors out into a cold frame or other sheltered spot for just a few hours a day. Eventually, leave the plant out, and after 2 weeks it should be ready for planting into its final position. Finally, your plant will be ready to be planted out. You'll know if it's the right time when the root system holds the growing medium together. Dig a hole that's slightly larger than the plant's pot. Gently remove the plant, place in the hole, and backfill with soil to cover the roots. Firm soil gently with your hands and water well. It's a good idea to mulch in order to suppress weeds and lock in moisture. Once you've planted out your vegetable plants, remember to weed and protect them from pests and disease to ensure that you enjoy a plentiful crop of your favourite homegrown vegetables.